only a sign to say you finished. Okay? Who's going to put the little sign? Your parents can put a little sign to say you finished your classwork. Is that clear, children? Everybody has to finish the classwork. Janita, are you able to hear me? Yeah? Stina, yeah, I can't see Chris and Kendrick. All right. If it's possible, you can turn your videos on. If it's not, it's okay. We'll carry on with class. All right. So let's get to what we were doing. We did Magnificent Mary. Okay. And I gave out the classwork and I asked you to write it. Is that correct? But I just want to discuss maybe the make sentences because I expect you to do that like on your own, like last time. Okay, you have to make 5 sentences of your own with the words I gave you. So, what is the first word I gave you? Anybody knows what is the first word I gave you for the second chapter? What was the first word?
Prosperous.
Prosperous. Okay, if it is prosperous, you have to make another sentence other than what I made. Okay, and in this case, you know what you have to do? I'll be teaching you pronouns, which is the next topic in the as grammar. As grammar, that's our first topic, pronouns. So you will have to make these sentences with 5 sentences, you pointing out the pronouns. Okay, now before I go on, let me teach you what a pronoun is. Okay, so what is a pronoun? Anybody knows what's a pronoun? You can use it in a sentence and you can tell me what you understand by pronoun. Or you can tell me the definition or anything about a pronoun. What do you
Ma'am,
understand?
name, place, thing.
That's a noun, dear. Yeah, that's a noun. Name, place, animal, thing is a noun. What is a pronoun? Anybody know? Okay, that's correct. So anything that takes the place of a noun is a pronoun. Anything that takes the place of a noun. Did you hear me? Okay. Yes. Okay. For example, this, okay, this mouse is mine. Okay. So when I say it's mine, I didn't say this is Sarah's. I said this is mine. So in that case, my or mine will indicate it's Sarah's. Did you understand that? So I want you to now make it into a sentence and try. So all of you can try like one small sentence for a pronoun. Personal pronouns. So personal pronouns would mean he, she, okay, I, it, we. All of these are personal pronouns. Did you understand that? It's taking the place of a person. Okay, so suppose it's about you. You don't keep saying, okay, when you say I study in Union Christian School, the word I will indicate like the pronoun in the sentence. Did you understand that? Okay. So my name is Jeffrin, okay, or my name is whatever. So you're going to be using it in a sentence. Did you understand that? So I want each of you to try one sentence and tell me which one is the pronoun. All of you will have to try a sentence quickly. Okay? I'll call out your name.
Ma'am, I see Mary movie, ma'am.
Sorry. Yeah, that's good. That's good. But I want you to tell me something with a pronoun because I'm now moving on to pronouns. So I want you to tell me a sentence with a pronoun. Anything. You can take anything in your hand and say this. It it is something or this is something, you will have to say
Ma'am,
first use a
this is
personal
my
pronoun. Okay? Okay. So which is the pronoun in that sentence, Nathan? This is my book.
book. My ma'am.
My is the pronoun, not
This-
the book. Okay. This is my. The my is the pronoun. I want you to try a sentence like that. Okay, indicating any can be anything. It can be anything. Okay, let's start with Alan. Alan, just take something and just point out. Like, I want you to understand what's a pronoun. A personal pronoun.
This is my sister, ma'am.
You got to show it. Show it. Okay, this is my. So all of you are using the my. I want you to try using some other pronoun. He, she, it, we, anything.
Ma'am, she
Okay,
is
so-
playing, ma'am.
No, how can you make that it, Alan? How can you make that it? How can you make that sentence? This is my scissors. Now make it into an it sentence. It is very, no, when you say, now you're talking about the scissor. This is my scissor, my is the pronoun. Now make it is also a pronoun, personal pronoun, it. Okay, so you got to say it is, say something about it, say something about the scissor. It is very,
Sharp, ma'am.
very what?
Sharp, ma'am.
Sharp. That's good. Yes. Okay, then now the next person. Dylan, can you try? Anything. I want you to say something using a pronoun so that I understand. A personal pronoun means about something to do with you. Okay? So what are the personal pronouns? We'll have to figure that out. All right? So I want you to do it now. Just do it fast. Dylan. Try, or Kanishka, can you try? One of you. Kanishka or Anu, can you try, please?
Ma'am, it's my new pencil.
One of you, please try. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is
Yeah. Again, it's a my. Can you use a he pronoun? Can you use a he? Can you use he in a sentence or she in a sentence? These are all personal pronouns. Okay.
Ma'am, he was drinking water, ma'am.
He was drinking water. So, okay. He is the pronoun in that sentence. Okay. So I want you to understand this.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
love to play keyboard, ma'am.
Okay. If you have a notebook, just write this. I'm muting you
Ma'am,
all.
I love to play.
Okay. Okay, good. I love to play.
Ma'am, I love to play keyboard. Keyboard.
Okay. So which is the pronoun in I love to play keyboard?
Ma'am,
Which is the
I.
I? Correct. I is the pronoun. Okay. Now I am going to be putting this down. You can write this down in your notebook. Personal. Write this down in your rough book, not in your class works. Personal pronouns. Okay. She, he, they, I, we, you, and it. Okay. All right, I'm just giving you some examples of a personal pronouns. These are some personal pronouns. You can, any of these words will mean it's about a person. All of these will mean a person. Now, it alone will indicate time or it will indicate a thing. Okay, we don't say it for a person. Okay, it is mine will mean something else. In that case, mine is the pronoun. But suppose I say, uh, my dog is very friendly. Okay, it loves to be with people. Okay, it's not he. Generally, you talk about an animal or time in terms of it. Did you understand, children? You talk of something like that in terms of it. But when it comes to a person, you talk of it in terms of he, she, they. All right, that way. Did you understand that, children? I want you to get this. So in your book, if you have your book, page 17, textbook, page 17 talks of the pronoun, which is a word used in place of a noun. So the first sentence is, Ram is a kind boy. He helps everyone. Afan, did you hear me? Ram is a kind boy. He helps everyone. So which is the pronoun in this case?
Ma'am, what page?
Page 17 in your textbook. Page 17 in your textbook.
Ma'am, he, ma'am.
He, that's correct. He is the pronoun in this case. The next sentence, what are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing?
Ma'am. You,
Okay. Can you see it's highlighted in purple? Yeah. So that is indicating the pronoun. So you in terms of a person. Okay. What are you doing tomorrow? Would you ask that to your dog? Okay. Stina, you're holding a bottle. Make a sentence with, and Afan's drinking from a cup. So you got to make a sentence. Yeah, Afan, Mohammed Afan. Can you hear me? You're drinking from a cup. So you got to make a sentence with that. Now, make a sentence with pronouns. With pronouns. Make a sentence with pronouns. Okay, I'm not able to hear you. Afan, I think your connection's bad. All right. I'm sorry. Stina, can you make a sentence with your bottle? And tell me which is the pronoun fast. I hope all of you understood what we're trying to do in terms of Harry. Are you able to get me? Okay. So what you have to remember is these are personal pronouns. And there are two kinds of pronouns really. One is personal, there are quite a few kinds, but in your book, they have given two kinds. One is personal pronouns and one is reflexive pronouns, meaning it is about thing. The words will be, instead of my, it will become myself. Okay. And instead of her, it will become herself. So it's indicating the person. Did you understand? Reflexive pronouns. Okay. So myself, herself, itself, all these are reflexive pronouns. When it ends in self, the word will end in a self. Okay, your book, you turn to page 18, you have some sentences over there. The first one, okay? So you have to find out and tell me sentence number 1. How many of you have the books with you? Please look at page 18 if you have your textbooks with you. page 18 in your textbooks. Okay, though Mary's middle name means prosperous, she had to work very hard. So, which is the personal pronoun there? Which is the
ma'am.
she? She. Okay, now mute yourself. Don't shout. One by one, I'll call out the name. Only that person should answer. All right? Only that person can answer. Okay, the next sentence. Neeta said that you are going to the market. Neeta said that you are going to the market. Lamb joy. Lamb joy. Lamb joy. Neeta said that you are going to the market. Lamb joy or Laish? One of you. Fast. Lamb joy or Laish? Neeta said that you are going to the market.
Ma'am, you.
Okay, the answer is you.
Ma'am, you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, the answer is you, correct. Okay, Harry, are you listening? And Johan, are you listening? One of you can answer, okay? Third one. Rini has a new pen. She is happily writing with it. Okay, Johan or Harry? One of you.
She.
Quickly, unmute and answer.
She.
Okay, she is happy. So the pronoun, personal pronoun here is she. Very good. Okay, the next one, Alma or Ria. One of you unmute and answer. They sold off the house and went abroad. They sold off the house and went abroad. Ria or Alma? One of you answer that part. Alma or Ria? Quick. Which one is the personal pronoun there?
I'm there, ma'am. I'm there.
Janita, you want to try?
I'm there. Ma'am, and ma'am. My ma'am. Ma'am, and.
Bad. Okay. I just want, can you try and tell me fast? They sold off the house and went abroad. So the answer is they. Correct, correct. Very good. Good. The last one. I did not hesitate in supporting the cause. Harishna or Krish Prakash. Harishna. Harishna, can you hear me? Harishna, can you hear me? Or Krish Prakash, anybody? What? Which is the personal pronoun in this case? I can hear only one. I can only hear one person. I want everyone to try and participate. Please try and answer. Okay. Now I. Okay. All right. Now I want you to tell me. The next thing are reflexive. So the word self will come in that. The word self. For example, him will become himself. Her will become herself. It will become itself. My will become myself. So you have to look at this and tell me. Okay. We had to cook. We will become what? We. What will be the reflexive pronoun for we? You have to tell me that. We had to cook the dinner. What is the word that will come there? I'll give you the first example, ourselves. We had to cook the dinner ourselves. OURSELVES. Did you understand? We, ourselves. Got it?
Ma'am, you have to write, ma'am.
You got to tell me the second one. You If you have the book, write. If you don't have, you'll have to write it later. You have to just understand first. Try to understand, and then you'll be able to write anything. Reflexive will have the word self in the end of it. Okay. So you will have to write this. What will come there? You will have to write this. Anybody? You will have to write this. What do you think will
Ma'am,
come
you
there?
yourself have to write it, ma'am.
Yourself. SELF. The first one changed to plural. SELVES. Okay? Because it was we, became ourselves. Okay? Now, when it is singular, it's you, it will become yourself. You will have to write this yourself. Okay. Tina washes her uniform. Tina. Anu, can you hear me? Jennifer?
Herself.
Yes. Yes. Tina washes her uniform herself. That's correct. That's correct. Tina washes her uniform herself. My father drove his car
Himself.
himself. Very good. Excellent. They repaired the bicycle. They is a plural. So be careful. They repaired the bicycle
Themselves.
themselves. Very good.
Themselves prepare the cycle, ma'am.
Yes. So now it's clear that all of you understood the reflexive pronouns as well as the personal pronouns. I hope you wrote this inside your book. So you might have to copy this in your classwork from the book. Okay. And for those children who have still not bought their books, please try and buy the books or like take it down from the PDF that's been.
Ma'am,
like,
we must write the questions in the classwork, ma'am.
these sentences, page 18, you have to write in the classwork.
Ma'am.
Write pronouns on the top. Write pronouns on the top. Write personal pronouns first. Second one will be reflexive pronouns.
Ma'am, I think this.
Okay?
Ma'am.
This you will write in your classwork. Page 18, you will do in your classwork. Okay, that is your grammar for this term. We are doing pronouns. I hope you understood pronouns. Pronouns.
Underline and classify the personal pronouns in the following sentence. I have to write it in the classwork also,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, I will tell you what to write. I will maybe put it on a WhatsApp, so it's easy for you. But I will tell you what to do. Okay, don't write till I tell you. That's better. So I'll give you the definition of the pronoun thing. So basically, you can write this. A pronoun, write pronouns on the top of the page and write a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Then go to page 18. Did all of you understand? First, you will put pronouns as and then you will write from page 18. Personal pronouns, the full sentence you can write. Did you understand, all of you? You will do it. Maybe that's better. Please do it in your classwork. This can be done in your classwork. That is the grammar that has to be done in the classwork. All of you, are you listening? Okay. Let me repeat this one more time for children. I hope all of you are listening very carefully to what I'm saying. This grammar part has to be done in the classwork after you finish the Mary Com notes that I gave you. And you will also try and do the 5 sentences on your own and send it back to me. As this, you don't send to me. Don't send this page to me, page 18. You're copying, right? That you can copy out. I hope all of you understood what to do. Maybe I'll send it on a WhatsApp for those of you who don't get it. So maybe that's easier for you. Okay? But the rest of it, the make sentence you have to do by yourself. as homework. Make sentences, you'll have to do the 5 words that I gave you. The first one was prosperous. You have to make a sentence of your own. That's homework for this week. Okay? Did you understand the meaning of the word prosperous in other words? You can look at those words, the meaning, and make a sentence of your own. There are only 5 words this time as make sentences, correct? What are the 5 words quickly that I gave you in the classwork? What are the 5 words? Prosperous. Anybody who can tell me what are the 5 words? Okay. Prosperous siblings. Is that correct? Am I right? Yes. Anything else? Harishna, I think I'll put it. No, not in the classwork. Make sentence not in the classwork. Only grammar. Make sentence what you're making by yourself is in the rough book. Make sentence what you're doing by yourself will be in the rough book. Only grammar, the pronouns has to be done in the classwork. I'll send you the pronouns. That's better. Okay, what you have to do in the classwork, I'll put it on the WhatsApp. Ma'am. I didn't get you, Chris. You have to. Okay. You will have. I will send you what you have to do as classwork on the WhatsApp. For the homework, you have to do 5 sentences and send it back to me. The words are from your make sentence that I gave you. Prosperous, siblings, inspired. Okay. Prosperous, siblings, inspired, and critics and amateur. There's a chat. Okay, so these are the words. You make it and send me. Prosperous. Prosperous. The second one is siblings. Third one, inspired. Fourth one, critics. Fifth one, amateur. Okay. So amateur means somebody who doesn't know much. The opposite of somebody who is professional. Okay. So you will have to figure out a sentence on your own and write that as homework back to me. Don't put that in your classwork. What you're doing in the rough work is rough work. Okay, what you're sending me that I'm correcting, I want you to understand and learn. So that's separate. What is in the classwork, you've got to keep separate. So grammar will go in the classwork. Did you understand? Don't mix it up. Don't write the wrong thing in the wrong place. Okay. Now that we have a few minutes left, can you all stand up? You finished writing, you can stand up. Hands up. I will tell you, Johan. I'll tell you, put it in the WhatsApp for you. Don't worry. I will tell you what you have to do. Don't worry. Hands up, stretch. Okay, stretch. And sit down. Sit down. Sit. All right, good. Okay. So I was hoping to play something. I don't even know whether I'll be able to play this. Can you give me 2 minutes? I'm going to stop my video for a minute. Okay, I'm going to stop it for 1 minute while I play this, before I play this for you. Just give me a minute, okay? to be sharing my screen for a minute quickly. Okay, I'm going to put this on the song. I want you to listen to it. Everybody, are you listening? I want you to listen to what I'm trying to say now. Okay, I'm going to share my screen first. Listen to this.
Oh yeah, now listen up.
Please, can you hear me, children? Are you able to hear?
Pronouns take the place of nouns. I, he, she, we, they, you, it. Sally baked cupcakes, Sally gave me one. Sally baked cupcakes, she gave me one. The pronoun she takes the place of the noun. Sally. Liz and Ray play tag. Liz and Ray had fun. Liz and Ray play tag. They had fun. The pronoun they takes the place of the noun. Liz and Ray. Possessive pronouns show belonging. Oh yeah. Mine, his, her, our, their, your, who, its. Jason lost Jason's ball. Jason lost his ball. The pronoun his takes the place of the noun. Jason. An indefinite pronoun tells you something that is not definite or exact. Anyone, everything, no one, everybody, the whole class must leave now. Everybody must leave now. The pronoun everybody takes the place of the noun. Class. Pronouns take the place of nouns. Oh yeah!
Hope you're okay. I hope you were able to hear that. Turn it off. Okay, I'm sorry. Just 1 minute. Yes, class. Can you hear me? All right. So I just want you to remember this. This is what a pronoun is. I send you the thing on WhatsApp. Okay. I just want you to remember this. Pronoun takes place of a noun. What does it take the place of? A noun. Okay. So any person, place, thing, a naming word. Remember the naming word. That is a noun, correct? So anything that takes the place of that naming word is a pronoun. That's all you need to remember really for the pronoun. The other part is the reflexive. Okay, class, my time's up. So I'm going to be ending this class. So I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye, children.
Bye.